the Toyota Corolla. With more than 50 years in the market and more than 50 million units sold, this model has dominated the roads of the world. But how did it become the best-selling car of all time? Today we tell you its incredible history, its secrets, and why it continues to be one of the best options for drivers around the world. To talk about the best-selling car in history, we need to go back to the years when it all began. The history of this model begins in 1966 in Japan. The country was in the midst of an economic boom after post-war reconstruction, and Japanese families dreamed of owning their own car. However, cars at that time were often expensive, impractical, and not always affordable. Toyota, already a well-known brand, saw an opportunity to create a vehicle that was compact, affordable, and reliable enough for anyone to use. The name Corolla, which means crown of flowers in Latin, was chosen to symbolize the freshness and elegance that the car would bring to the market. The first model, launched in Japan, was a compact two-door sedan with a 1.1-liter engine and 60 horsepower, a modest but sufficient figure for the time. Its price was around $1,100 at the time, which made it highly competitive, and this is undoubtedly one of the keys to its success. Later I will tell you about the three main keys. And the result was an immediate success. In its second year, the Corolla was already being exported to international markets, including the United States and Europe, where it quickly gained popularity. By the late 1960s, the Corolla was not just a Japanese car, it was a global car. Each generation of this model has been a reflection of its time. The second generation, introduced in 1970, brought more power and new versions, such as a coupe body, which gave it a sporty touch. Then, in the 1980s, when the automotive industry was betting on efficiency and aerodynamics, the Corolla was adapted with smaller engines and better fuel consumption, earning a place in the garages of families around the world. With each new version, Toyota improved technology, safety, and comfort, but without abandoning the original formula that made it a success. In a moment we will talk about the future of the Corolla, as Toyota has something very interesting for its flagship. But what has made it the best-selling car in history? The main reasons for its success are three. Let's start with the first one. Absolute reliability. From its very first models, Toyota made sure to build a car that could withstand daily use, poor road conditions, and, in some cases, even neglect in terms of maintenance. Users knew they could count on it to start every morning, no matter the weather or wear and tear. This level of reliability made the Corolla the perfect car for families, companies, and young drivers looking for something simple but effective. In turn, its affordability and low maintenance played a crucial role. The Corolla has always been accessible to the masses, making it a popular choice for both first-time buyers and those looking for something economical in the long run. Toyota managed to keep costs low without compromising quality, which allowed the Corolla to not only be attractive in the new car market, but also maintain its value in the used market. In addition, the Corolla is economical and simple to maintain, with readily available parts, and a design that allows for relatively simple mechanical services. Over the years, it has been able to adapt to the changing needs of the market, being offered in sedan, coupe, hatchback, wagon, and even hybrid versions. Whether as a compact car for cities in the 1970s, a reliable sedan for families in the 1990s, or a hybrid option for those seeking energy efficiency today, the Corolla has always been at the forefront of what consumers need. And the fourth and most important reason is that it has become a flagship. Over the years, it has been the vehicle that many middle-class families aspire to own, thanks to its affordable price and the confidence it generates, making it a symbol of economic stability. In movies and television, the Corolla has also had its space, being used in different productions as the everyday car that represents the common driver. This type of representation has solidified its image, and its global presence is another aspect that contributes to its cultural impact. It has reached every corner of the world, from North America to Asia to Europe, giving it unprecedented cultural reach. With millions of units sold in more than 150 countries, the Corolla has significantly influenced different cultures. By 2013, it broke an all-time record. it became the world's best-selling car, with more than 40 million units produced. Currently, that figure has surpassed 50 million. Its future seems to be as assured as its past success, but with some interesting twists aimed at adapting to new market demands. The 2026 model will bring with it not only design changes, but an evolution to a greener, more modern platform. As consumers become more environmentally conscious, Toyota is incorporating hybrid and electric-powered versions into the Corolla lineup. The commitment to electrification is one of the key aspects. The hybrid version, which has already proven successful in markets such as Europe and North America, will continue to evolve with more energy efficiency and lower emissions to remain competitive in the global market for electric and hybrid vehicles. The Toyota Corolla is not just a car, it is a cultural phenomenon. It has been on the roads of dozens of countries and has witnessed countless stories. From young people who choose it as their first car, to families who rely on it for their daily lives, the Corolla has marked generations, becoming much more than a means of transportation. It has become a legacy in motion.